Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 5,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.